Hello everyone, and welcome to Starcraft Solo 101, Chapter 4, Set Up the Machine Wirelessly. This is really fun and really easy. Now, this machine does not run on Bluetooth. This actually runs wirelessly, which is set up just a little bit differently. So I'm going to walk you through all the steps to get this set up so that you can cut completely wireless with your new Starcraft Solo. To connect your Starcraft Solo using the Wi-Fi connection, it's really easy. So we'll need to have a few things for information before you start. You'll need to know the name of your network, so whatever that is called, and then you'll also need to know the password for your network as well. So what you'll do is in the control panel, select the gear that is named Set and click on that. Then you'll click on Wi-Fi. Now that is going to bring up some information here, and what you're going to do is click the word scan. That is going to scan and search for your network, and it may take a moment, but this is why it's important to know the name of your network. Once it scans and finds it, you'll see that we have a couple different options. This one is mine, so I'm going to select that one. And what you're going to do now is click the word apply down in the lower corner, which I see you guys can't see. So I'm going to pull you back just a little bit so you guys can see all the buttons here. Right here, we're going to click apply. Once we've clicked apply, you're going to want to set your network password. So click set. And if you guys remember the old phones when you used to text and have to hit the buttons, the amount of times you needed for the letters, that's what you're going to do here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in the word password. So we're going to go P-A, and then here we need to hit this button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll need to hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 again to select the correct letters. So just make sure that you have the right amount of clicks and the right letters selected. Now let's say I make a mistake and that's not actually the letter or button I wanted. Go ahead and just click the back button down here at the bottom and it will delete that for you. If you have numbers, you can go ahead and click the numbers, and if you have special characters, they are right next to that, and then all you have to do is click OK. Now you can see you have your password and everything is ready to go. Our next step is to get our IP address set. Now you can change the last 3 digits, so if you wanted to make it 201, 203, whatever you want to make it, but it's always going to default to 200. Once you've decided on your last 3 digits of your IP address, you're going to click the word apply. Now this part may take several moments, and this is going to help it find the IP address and assign it for your router. You will eventually see this little orange line here at the top, and I'll move you guys a little bit so you can see that better. Do you see that orange line right up here at the top? That is going to eventually display the IP address that we are going to need to note for putting this into our StarCraft Create software. Now, over in your StarCraft Create software, we are going to hook up our machine. So remember, I told you to make sure that you wrote down your IP address. We are going to go up to the top of the screen right here where it says Cutter. Click on that and you're going to go into My Cutter and you want to do Manage Cutters. Now it's important to add your cutter if you haven't already. So what I'm going to do is select my StarCraft Cutter and it automatically selects the Solo. Click Add to List and then click Done. Next thing you'll do is go into Cutter and then you want to go into Cut with StarCraft. Click on that and you'll see right here is the option for inputting your IP address. So I need to change mine since I changed it for the video. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click the little loopy-doopy button here and then click Test Connection. And this is going to move your machine, so it may make some noise, but you do want to make sure that your machine is turned on. So go ahead and click OK. Hopefully you all could hear that. Mine was beeping to let me know that it is in fact connected, and that's as simple as that. Now you will not have to be wired into your computer with the USB cord in order to do any kind of cutting. I love the fact that this runs on wireless. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'm happy to answer those for you. And thank you for checking out Chapter 4 in the Starcraft Solo 101 series. I am bringing you more and more to this series, so I'm really excited to show you all the fun things that you can do with your Starcraft Solo. Have a great day and happy crafting!